Can you guess this Overwatch 2 player's rank?
Alright, on a play. Okay, important to realize this is on console. So I'm gonna think it looks bad, but really like this could be like top 500. Okay, that is not who she meant to sleep. What the heck? She definitely meant to sleep that Reaper. That's so sad. That's so sad. This is high rank. She played around that pole when the Reaper was pushing her. Okay, also this guy is top 500 role challenger. Dude, Loki, I was gonna hit GM because like maybe they were off rolling. That's fine. I think getting close is okay.